Hello my friends, hope you're well, hope you're fine. Carl Smith here from Carl Smith Hypnosis, and I'm doing a different video today. Today I'm doing a product review. I've been sent this by SmallRig to do a review on a microphone that they've asked me to do a review on to do that. So the links will be in the comments and everything if you'd like to look at it. I've spent over the years a lot of time developing my social media and my YouTube channel and other material like that to get off the ground. And one of the key things you've got to remember is if your visuals, if you do a video, your visuals are great, but your audio is rubbish, people will turn off. But if your audio is great and your video is rubbish, people will still listen like a podcast. And I found that with some of my stuff in the originals. And I've been sent this and I've been reviewing it while I've been in Las Vegas. And I've been purposely chose this really noisy area to talk about the noise cancellation and what we've been doing. So most of the stuff we've been doing in Las Vegas has been classroom based, or it's been street hypnosis, out on the streets teaching people hypnosis. So I've been testing it to the max on all of it, and today I just thought I'd do a little review. So what you do get with the box is the receiver, which is actually attached to my phone at the moment, which plugs into the back of the phone. And then what happened into the USB-C, and then with the USB-C, then it then sends it to one of the two microphones. Now, when you're purchasing this, if you choose to purchase it, which I'm going to talk about in a moment, is the microphone. There's two of these. There's one there on me clipped on, and I've left it so you can see it rather than being inconspicuous. And you get another one. There's two, but SmallRig do one with just the one. So be cautious when you're purchasing this that you buy it with the two. All right. And the microphone there, nice little back into it, and a microphone at the very front there, so you can pick up all of it. Really good, some functionality all the way through it, which I'm not going to bore you with right now, but it actually comes ready to rock and roll. When I open this package up, all you have to do is, it comes like 75% charged, but on the same token, what I would say is it's ready to go. So literally, if you get it, then do it. Then you can plug it into your phone straight away. It's charged by a USB-C port at the back, and once this box is charged, acts as a charger. So once this is charged and you've charged all them, you've got this continuous hours of usage from it. You don't have to keep charging it. If you're on the go like I am, you've just got a box and it's continuously charging it with these nice little buttons at the bottom there that show you how much you've got left in it. So I've got a full charge at the present moment in time. In there as well is the shoe mount as well. So for those that have got DSLRs or cameras and everything like that, this fits on the top, and a 3.5mm cable will go from here into the camera, giving you a bit more. The interesting thing about this has got the functionality on here. So we've got the Bluetooth connector button, and we've also got noise reduction. We've got mono, stereo and stereo on here, so you can record in that. I always record in stereo. And also as well, we can change the way that the volume is being done. So if you've got a low noise or high noise, you can adjust the frequency. My personal opinion is you always spin it round to 0, do a test run with your kit, and then find out what yours is. But you shouldn't be, what it will do is stop the noises or not being loud enough. So there we are there. It's a great bit of kit, to be quite honest. The SmallRig S70 like that, I've been asked to do a review by SmallRig themselves, so it's obviously showing how big my bloody channel's growing. Anyway, but it does come in this little compact case, and that's continuously charging in there, and you get the two microphones, and you get the adapter that I was just talking about a minute ago. And I have to say, and you'll probably agree, that the quality of the sound is picking up me rather than the party that's going on in the background. Do you know what I mean? So you can use these in any environment. You could use these in a clinical setting, you can use them in a coaching environment, and you can use them whilst you're on Zoom as well. So for those people that are predominantly on Zoom, you've got that as well. So with this noise and stuff that's going on in the background, it's a great bit of kit to have. I strongly recommend, for the cost that this is, it's roughly, and I'm going to say roughly at the moment, because in the UK I've just noticed this is £90. In the US you can pick this up for about $70, which is a steal. I'm not going to mention the other brands, I've got other brands, and this has absolutely stolen the show. I've been using all of them, and I brought this out here especially because I'm on the move, I need it charging all the time. It's compact, fits into a little bag or your back pocket if you need to, and it does it. So the link will be below. Have a look at the SmallRig S70, and if you've never seen SmallRig before, go have a look at SmallRig's options on all of their camera gear and everything like that. And I hope you enjoy looking at this, and I hope the sound outstanding for you. Take care for now, and I'll see you on the next one. SmallRig S70, go have a look at it. Bye.